National Geographic Kids, Erupt. 25. Hot fact about volcanoes. 1. Heavy ashfall can make it impossible to breathe. 2. The powdery ash that volcanoes eject can float around the world. 3. Mount St. Helens, in Washington State, USA, caused the largest landslide known on Earth when it erupted. 4. Magma flows to Earth's surface because it is lighter than the solid rock around it. 5. Lava can reach 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit 4 times hotter than your kitchen oven. 6. An umbrella won't help. Lava blown from a volcano hardens into solid rock in the air, and the pieces fall like rain. 7. In the United States alone, 80 volcanoes have erupted once or more in the past 500 years. 8. The heat from lava causes the plants it buries to release gases and explode. 9. Volcanoes can change the weather. 10. Mount St. Helens destroyed 8 bridges when it erupted. 11. When lava reaches the ocean, it cools rapidly. It breaks down to form black sand beaches. 12. A volcanic eruption can blow apart a mountain. 13. Lava that cools into rough pieces is called aha. 14. Ash in the sky can make day as dark as night. 15. Most lava moves slow enough for people to escape it. 16. When it explodes from a volcano, runny lava may form cowpie bombs that splat into rough pancake shapes. 17. When the Icelandic volcano Eyjafjallajökull erupted. In 2010, ash forced airports as far away as mainland Europe to shut down for almost a week. 18. Water warmed by volcanoes is used to heat homes in Iceland. 19. Rich volcanic soil is excellent for growing crops. 20. Volcanoes eject bombs semi-molten pieces of lava and solid lava chunks called blocks. 21. A pyroclastic flow is a fast-moving mix of hot gas, ash, and rock that can destroy everything in its path. 22. A volcano can flatten a forest. 23. Lava that hardens into a smooth, ropey surface is called pahoehoe, paichoihoe. 24. Earth's largest land volcano, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, USA, is more than 10 miles high from its base on the seafloor to its top. 25. Volcanic bombs and blocks can be as small as your fist or as big as a house. Chapter 1. Our Fiery World. Several times an hour, lava shoots out of a volcano in Italy called Stromboli. Stromboli has been spewing gas and spitting molten rock for more than 2,000 years. It is one of Earth's most active volcanoes. Full eruptions can occur from only minutes to hours apart. Pushes upward. It escapes in a powerful burst. Lava, ash, and steam pour from the mountain. In an instant, the landscape around the volcano changes. Besides Stromboli, a volcano erupts somewhere on Earth every week. Volcanoes begin deep underground. Hot liquid rock. A volcano can destroy an entire town. Earth's surface is made of giant slabs of constantly moving rock. These giant pieces of rock, or tectonic plates, cover the globe. They form the crust, our planet's thin outer layer. The crust floats on the mantle in 1,800-mile thick layer of hot liquid, or molten, rock called magma. The mantle flows just enough to slowly move the plates. Gravity causes the heavy plates to sink slowly into the mantle. Inch by inch, the plates have crept along for hundreds of millions of years. The magma that forms most volcanoes comes from just a few miles below Earth's surface. Tectonic plates are hundreds to thousands of miles across and 10 to 125 miles thick. The Alps were formed by tectonic plates crashing together. Beneath your feet. Moving tectonic plates can make mountains and volcanoes. Tectonic plates don't just float along. They bump, pull apart and slide below one another. Plates crashing together can buckle the ground to form mountains. A volcano can form when a tectonic plate is forced downward into the mantle. First, heat and pressure inside Earth melt part of the plate, forming magma. The new magma creates pressure. The pressure helps force the magma upward. If a spot in Earth's crust has a hole, called a vent, molten rock and ash can escape. That's a volcano! When the rising magma escapes through the top of the volcano's vent, it gets a new name. Now it is lava. Heat inside Earth can create hot springs and bubbling mud pools around the volcano. A collapsing volcano can photocaldera more than 60 miles wide. When hot magma rises through the crust, instead of at the edges of tectonic plates, it is called a hot spot. Volcanic mountains can form when heat and pressure, miles below Earth's crust, form magma that rises through cracks in the crust. Shallow areas of magma collect beneath the crust and ooze upward through the cracks. If the magma reaches a vent, a hole that runs from deep underground to Earth's surface, a volcanic eruption occurs. Some eruptions make an explosion. Others cause lava to simply flow out. A violent explosion can cause a volcano to collapse and form a giant bowl-shaped area called a caldera. Lava turns to solid rock as it cools. Each eruption spreads more lava and makes the mountain grow larger. Some explosive eruptions form